Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to take a look at the Majorette racing cars from 2017. There were 27 cars in the catalog, 18 cars were in a singles assortment, the rest of them was available in various multi-packs. So 23 cars have lensed headlights, 4 of them have painted headlights, 17 have suspension, 10 do not have suspension. They all have full deco, so painted details all around, and there's 4 new models. So let's take a look at the first one, the Audi A1. It's in 1/58 scale. It's a 2017 date, production date on it. Little suspension, so you get the lensed headlights, you got opening doors, painted taillights like they all have, and a nice interior. And the second one is this Chevy Camaro. This is in 1/62 scale. Suspension, lensed headlights, opening doors also. Next up is a new model. In 2017, the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. It's in 1/66 scale. Little suspension, lensed headlights, opening doors also. Very nicely detailed in the back, and big black tempo on the hood or bonnet. Then we got a model that is very hard to find. This is the Ford Fiesta WRC Rally. This is in a 2019 packaging because I was not able to find it earlier than this year. So here it is. So this is a purpose-built WRC model, which means it's in 1/58 scale, by the way, which means it does not have suspension and it does not have an interior. So we get black headlights because they are part of the black windscreen. A little bit smudges here on top, but you know, it's the only one I could find, so that's okay. Then another new one, the Ford Mustang Boss 302 in orange, 1/61 scale, suspension, lensed headlights. Love the little banner here on the windscreen, and again nice tempos in the back. Nothing opens up on this one. Then we got the Lamborghini Gallardo in green. So this has the old style base, so there's no scale on this one. It's a 2018 version, but it was the same in 17. So no suspension, just painted headlights. You get the see-through engine cover. And then the next one was new, not a model, just the livery. Same Gallardo, but in a different livery. This is also a 2018 model, or production I should say, but exactly the same in 17. This one I got from the Lamborghini gift pack. Then there's the Mercedes-AMG GT. It's in 1/60 scale. Suspension, got the lensed headlights, opening doors. Next up is the Mercedes A-Class. And this is in 1/57 scale. 2016 production, but the same in 17. lensed headlights. This one has the tailgate that opens up. Next up, that's the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. 159 scale, also 2016 production, but same in 17. Lensed headlights. The door is opening up. Plastic spoiler. Would have preferred that to be metal, but you know, it is what it is. And there's also a blue one in the singles assortment. Same rims, just same deco, just a different color. And then we've got the Porsche 918 Spyder with a black interior this time. 2016, it has a red interior. 161 scale, no suspension. It does have lensed headlights. And some painted detail in the back. Then we got the Renault Alpine ZAR in blue, or the A110/50 or -50, 163 scale, no suspension, just painted headlights, very tiny, no interior, blacked out windows, plastic wing on the back. Another Renault, the Megane Coupe N4, 164 scale, suspension, lensed headlights, also has the banner here on the windscreen, opening doors. And then this is the only 2017 single packaging I have, so and here there's the folder that I can show you. Is a new model, the Subaru WRX STI. Now you can see it's kind of an error because it's got the picture of the Renault Alpine in there instead of the Lamborghini. I don't know if this is a robot that puts them in there or just a human being. But you know, you can see they're both blue cars. That's probably how this happened. So well, some people would call this collectible because of the error. Just keep it carded, but you know, I don't really care for it, and I need the folder to show you. So I'm going to open it up. So let's take a look at the folder. So here's all the cars in the series, 18 cars in total. And then on the back you get them again, but with the picture, and you can kind of check what you have or what you don't have. So that way you get kind of an overview. By the way, you can see here the rims on the Renault are a little bit different than the one I have, because this is a 2016 version. So this one does have different rims. At Catalog it has the same rims, so probably was released with those rims in 2017. So there you go. So let's look at this new model. 158 scale, suspension, blue with gold rims, lovely combination, lensed headlights, nice metal spoiler in the back, opening doors. So yeah, very nice model, love it. Then we got the VW Beetle GSR, 1/60 scale, suspension, lensed headlights, opening doors. Then we get the VW Golf Mark 7 GTI, 1:64 scale, little suspension predominantly in the front, lens headlights, opening tailgate, that should open, but it won't now. Come on. I need something to pry it open. Let's see if I can get this in between here. It's really not opening. Don't know what's up with it. No, I'm sorry. It won't open. So I can't show you. And then the last one from the singles assortment, number 18 of 18, the VW Polo WRC, 1:57 scale, so also a purpose-built WRC model. This is the 2018 version, but exactly the same in 17. So you get the no interior, blacked out windows, no suspension, the blacked out headlights, part of the windscreen. A big metal spoiler in the back, and all tampoed out all around. So that's it for the 18 car assortment, and then we're going to take a look at the rest of the cars in the catalog that you could find in multi-packs. So here's a Citroën or a DS3 without a Citroën. This is a 1:58 scale, so also a purpose-built WRC model, but windows are a little bit less black or blacked out than some other models, it seems. But it's got the same features, or I should say, lacks the same features: suspension, interior. Here's another Abu Dhabi version. Both are from 2015, WRC 2015 it says here on the side. And we got the Dacia Duster, 1:64 scale, suspension and headlights. This one, this is a 2016 version. The 2017 version has some tampos here on the corner of the front bumper. I don't have that version. That's a small variation, so I still need to find that one. It's got an opening tailgate and a trailer hitch, which is a bit strange for a racing car, but anyways, that's how the casting was made, and they probably didn't want to retool the base. So here we got the black version of the Ford Fiesta. We saw the white one earlier. We got another Lamborghini, also an older style one, so it's got the old base. This is the Reventon. No suspension and no lensed headlights. Even they're not even painted, they're just the color of the vehicle. We got the Opel Adam, the R2, 1:55 scale, suspension, lensed headlights. And then we got a few more Porsches. This is the orange one. We got the white one. So 5 Porsches in total in 2017 in the racing cars. And then the last one, the Renault Megane Trophy, 1:64 scale, suspension, lensed headlights. And then this back part opens up all the way to reveal the engine bay. Got a plastic ring here. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.